Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today I will take your class 1 computer class. Let's start. So, everyone, take out your computer book of class 1. Take out your first chapter. So, you can see here the first chapter is Introduction of Computers. So, we all can see some pictures are here. Okay, so let's read. Tick all the living things and cross out the non-living things. Okay, that means what? Those have life or those are live now. Okay, living now. That things you have to tick, and those have don't live, that means not alive or okay, or not living now or not have, you have to cross them. Okay, understood? So you can see first the picture is butterfly, so you know all the butterfly is a living thing, no? So that's why we have to tick it. Now the next one, you can see pencil is here, so you know pencil is a not living things, so you have to cross it. Now next you can see one picture of a tree, so we all know tree has a life. Okay, so we have to tick here. Next you can see a first one stone picture, so you have all know the stone has not life. Okay, so we have to cross it. Again you can see one picture of a chair. We all know chair is a thing, not living things, no? So we have to cross it. Next you can see an animal picture of an elephant. So we all know elephant is a living, no? It has life, so we have to do tick it. Now this one will your homework. Okay, you have to do all homework this. Okay, everyone do in your home and I will check it. Okay, now next we are going to turn our page. So we can see one picture of a computer. You can see everyone. There is also one keyboard picture, one mouse picture and one CPU. So let's read about computer. We all know that this is a computer, isn't it? So it is a machine. What is this? It is a machine. So we all know that it is a non-living thing. That means it doesn't have any life, isn't it? Does it have life? No, it's not have life. That's why it is called a non-living thing. We all know that it works very fast, isn't it? It works very fast. So computer works very fast. Next we can see here it needs electricity to run. We all know that without electricity it cannot run. So it needs electricity to run. Next we can see it makes our work easier, isn't it? Computer makes our work easier. Okay, understood? So let's read again. First of all, we see that this is a computer. It is a machine. Okay, it is a non-living thing. It works very fast. It needs electricity to run. It makes our work easier. Understood? Now you have to learn this in your home. Okay, now next we can see one picture here and one another picture. We all know that it is a computer picture and this is a CPU. So here we can see that identify and write the name of the picture, color the picture given below. So what do you have to do? You have to identify this picture and you have to write the name here. Okay, and you have to color the picture here and here also. Okay, do color. It will also your homework, so you have to do. Next we can see that what is now machines. We will read that what is machine. So first we can see the definition of machines is here, that machines are man-made things. That means those are man-made things, that is called machines. Okay, machines are made by man. Okay, next one is machine makes our work easy. We all know that machines make our work very easy, no? Next you can see that machine work faster than human beings. That we all know, all the machine those have works now, that is very fast, isn't it? Fast from human beings also, no? Next you can see that machines are non-living things. We all know that machines has no life. They are not alive, but they are doing their work. They can do many things, no, but they are non-living things because they don't have life. Okay, these are called machines, no? So now you can see here picture of a abacus. Do you know abacus was the first computer? So you can see the picture of abacus. This is the first computer. Okay, now the next we can see that some examples of machines are given below. Now we will read some examples of machines. Okay, let's read. Now you can see one picture of a watch. Okay, so we all know that watch is a machine. Okay, it's also a non-living things because it doesn't have any life. Okay, but it helps us to shows time, isn't it? It shows time. We can see here that we can watch time also. Next one we can see here a mobile phone. We know it is also non-living things. It's also called machine. So mobile phone help us to do what? That a mobile phone is used for making phone calls. We can do here many phone calls. It's also help us, and it's also a machine. Understood? Next, turn your page everyone. You can see a picture of a car. Okay, so a car is used for traveling. We all know for traveling we used car. It's also help us to travel, isn't it? So car is also a machine and non-living things also. Next you can see a picture of a television set. So a television set is used for entertainment, isn't it? For entertainment we need television. We can see picture here, movies, songs, many of things, no? So television is also a non-living things and also a machine. Okay, now the next one you can see a picture of an iron. Okay, so an iron is used to iron clothes. An iron is used to iron clothes, isn't it? Iron help us to iron the clothes, no? It is also a machine. Okay, and non-living things. Okay, now next one you can see a refrigerator picture. Okay, so a refrigerator help us to do what? A refrigerator is used to keep things cool. Okay, we keeps here many of things. Okay, to keep things cool and fresh also. Okay, that's why we use refrigerator. It is also man-made things, and it is also a non-living things. Understood? Now see here, it's time to now answer. So we read all the things. Okay, now you understand that what is machines, what is a computer. Okay, you learn some examples of machines like watch, mobile phone. You learn here car, then television set, iron, refrigerator. So now it's time to answer now. So match the following. Okay, here is matching. So you have to do matching. Now first one you can see here that it is used for traveling. So you have to find out from here that what things help us to travel. you have to find here also. Okay, so let's find here. What do you think? Iron will happen? No. Watch? No. Refrigerator? No. Yes, you are right. Car. Car will happen because car is used for traveling. Okay, the next one is it is used for making phone calls. Now we all know that mobile phone is used for phone calls. Okay, so you have to do matching here. Next one you can see it is used to see time. Now which one will happen here? Yes, find out. Yes, watch will happen here. We all knows that watch shows time. Now the next thing is it keeps things cool. Now find out. Yes, refrigerator. Yes, refrigerator keep things cool. Okay, the answer will be now refrigerator. The next one, number 5, is it is used to watch movies. Now again you have to find out what will happen. Yes, television. Television is used to watch movies. Now the last one, 6 number, it is used to iron clothes. Now let's find out, only left one thing, that is iron. We all knows that irons is used to iron the clothes. Okay, now it will be your homework. So you have to do what? That you have to do in your copy. Okay, and I will check it. So this is for your homework. You have to do, and this is also will your homework. Okay, and the first page, this will also your homework. Okay, so everyone do your homework. I will check it. Okay, and learn this all. Next class we will read. So you all do these all things in your homework. Okay, and learning these all things. Okay, then thank you.